when the sky was gray. Took a single step down the narrow way. Faith in my heart, though the path was steep, held by a promise that my soul will keep. Every trial faced, every tear I cried, built my strength up as I climbed inside. Through the weary hours, through the darkest night, heard a whisper guiding me toward the light. With endurance I climbed to the top, where the mountaintop glory never stops. Every mountain high, every valley low, grace will lift me up, I will surely go. To the summit bright, I will stand tall, joined with angels in a song of a vault. Foot by foot I faced the stones and thorns, healed by mercy with each new dawn. When the wind would howl, when the sun would burn, found my courage in each twist and turn. Every doubt I shared, every fear outgrown, turned to stepping stones to a higher home. Carried by hope with each breath I take, knowing grace will guide me till I awake. With endurance I climb to the top, where the mountaintop glory never stops. Every mountain high, every valley low, grace will lift me up, I will surely go. To a summit bright, I will stand tall, joined with angels in a song of all. With endurance I climb to the top, with a murmur inside, climbs your morning tide. Our hands locked tall, if you've ever done, break will lift me, it's that you could.